What are we doing today? Turning this pile of nuts and bolts into something useful. So I came across a fun picture on the internet of a little pencil holder slash torch holder for the welder that'll just sit on the desk here, just made out of some nuts and bolts welded together. Now that looks like a pretty fun little project. So I've got a pile of nuts and bolts here. We're going to arrange them out, and we've got 3 bolts that we'll use as standoffs for the upper layer, and we're going to make this little holder. Let's give it a whirl. So the idea is we're going to make a base out of these 1/2-inch nuts, like that right there. And then the top is going to be a section very similar to this, except we're going to remove 3 of them like that. So it'll look like that. I changed it up just a little bit. I decided to go with a single post in the middle, like this right here, for the top section. Mainly because it's a whole lot easier to get that one to line up rather than getting 3 of those posts to line up in that grid pattern like that. So I keep it simple, right? So we're gonna weld this up and slap it together and we'll see how it works. Now decided to go with that pattern on the base, just to give it a little bit wider of a footprint, make it a little bit more stable. Then I'm going to come in on these and I'm going to stick a shim underneath it when I weld them. That way we're guaranteed not to rock in the middle anywhere. All of the footprint will be along those outside nuts.